Amta Manlecha. I'm practicing as a life coach. Today, my topic is on the power of imagination. What is imagination? Imagination is a mental mind script which we can do with our own five senses. It is the mental scene of the mind to attract whatever we want in life. So, how we can use this imagination as a powerful tool? So, whenever we imagine, we should imagine first your positive things that you want to attract in life. Next, whatever things you want to attract in life, just write it down or just form a images in your mind, and just getting each and each and everything of what you want. Be specific. Like if you want your home, imagine yourself, you are seeing the new door, you are seeing the new hall, you are having a big size room, you are having a home theater. So imagine each and every specific thing that you want to attract in life. Imagination is something which our mind helps in um, to to feel the scene, in the mental scene, whatever we want in life. It is captured as a camera in your mind, so you can able to see what you want in life in your future. If you want to forward it, just forward these and all happen. If you want to pre-record it, just pre-record it. It's like your camera, it's like your video running in our mind. So start use this power of imagination. Power of imagination is nothing. Visualization is one of the most important tool. So when you get up in the morning, just visualize. Take 10 minutes or 15 minutes to visualize the things that you want in life. Just get through all the things like whatever you want in life, and just see a mental picture that you are attracting, you are having that things in your life. You can keep the things that already you want in life, like simple things that you remind you that you already have this thing in your life. So start capturing the lovely moments, and if you want to build a new relationship, or if you want to relive with the person, or just capture these golden memories, and visualize yourself that you can able to see the the picture of your future in your mind. So start use this power of visualization each and every day. How we can use this power of visualization? First, whenever you wake up in the morning, do it for 5 to 10 minutes. Whenever you go to bed, just be great. First, do your gratitude. Be grateful for what you have done in the day, and start 5 minutes of imagination, whatever you want in life. So whenever you went to sleep, that it will get more attracted in your subconscious mind. So start being grateful for whatever you want in life, and start imagining to the things that you want to attract in life. So be grateful for whatever you have in life, and be be uh, be helpful to everyone, and imagine that you are attracting the good things in your life, and the life you want to achieve with your dreams and goals. Bye.